guys, so we're in full-on summer, which means pool season, lake season, or ocean season, depending on where you live. And in today's video, I want to show you how to organize all of those pool essentials with a DIY pool towel drying rack. And they retail for $300 online. And today, I'm going to show you how you can make it for about 40 bucks. There are tutorials for how to make these on Pinterest, and here's how to make it so it's actually going to work. You need 5 10-foot 1-inch PVC pipes. You need 4 3-way 90-degree elbows, 10 3-way 90-degree tees, 2 90-degree elbows, and 4 45-degree elbows. I will say it's really helpful to have PVC pipe cutters. These are like 10 bucks. It is optional. You could definitely use a hacksaw, but look how easily it cuts. It's like butter, and you can put the whole thing together in 15 minutes. And I did all of the trial and error, so you wouldn't have to. There's a lot behind the scenes that goes into these videos to make sure I'm bringing you the most relevant information that's actually going to work. When Jess and I originally went to the hardware store to pick up this stuff, we got 2-inch PVC pipe, which turns out is very hard to cut. It leaves like these coconut shavings everywhere. And when her husband came outside on his way to work, we also realized there was a lot of math involved, and we had forgotten most of our basic geometry.
Right. So you have A, you have B, you want to add X and Y.
We thought we were doing so well. But at the end of the day, this is the recipe for success. So I'll make sure to have all of the links and measurements down below so you can very easily recreate it. And the moral of the story is stay in school, kids, and don't forget your math facts. So here's how to put it together. Cut 4 pieces of PVC pipe at 36 inches. Attach these pieces into all connection points of your 3-way 90-degree elbows, and these should fit in snugly. And as you can see, we're forming the base and the top of the rack. Next, cut 4 5-inch pieces and stick these in the top of the rack and connect with a 45-degree elbow joint. On the bottom, connect with your 45-degree elbow joint and then your 5-inch piece, followed by a 90-degree elbow joint. Now you're going to make the side of the towel rack to hold up your bars. You're going to cut 8.5-inch pieces and connect them with one of your T-joints. Add another 8.5-inch piece and another T-joint all the way up to the top. This project goes so fast once you get started. You're going to do that on both sides and then cut a 36-inch piece that is going to connect the 2 sides together to make all of your bars. And there you have it, a completed towel rack. And the great thing about this is this actually can break down and fit. This is just an old laundry hamper that I actually had from college. And I decided to do this optional step, but it makes it even easier. If you add a little bit of heavy-duty clear PVC pipe cement right to the inside, you can put together some of the joints so they're never going to come apart. This is really strong, and I especially recommend it where you put your T-joints. The only thing is you want to make sure that you put it in straight. If it goes in crooked, it's not moving. And then I marked the inside with a little bit of Sharpie so I would remember what joints connect to what. And the key is to put the Sharpie in where the pipes won't touch so it won't rub off. And this goes together so fast, you can see I'm putting the entire thing together in less than 3 minutes, even with my little helper, Owen. If you enjoyed this video, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. And leave a comment down below. Are you a pool person, a lake person, or an ocean person? I myself am definitely a lake person. I grew up in Michigan, so the Great Lakes state is my home. I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe so I can catch you there. Bye. These are also a great workout tool for toddlers. Yes! Awesome! All right, I'm proud of us. Our neighbors probably think we're psycho. Like, sitting here.